Hey guys, it's Kay, of course, back with another video. So Elevatestyles was nice enough to send me over their newest ponytail, and I think I did a video on, I think I showed you guys all the styles of this particular ponytail, and I was waiting on them to get a curly ponytail, so I'm super excited about this. Now, usually I put the ponytail on with my natural hair, but I just filmed a video on this yesterday, and this is a wig, but the wig is still kind of like stuck to my head, and I don't feel like taking it off and then having to slick my real hair down. So I was just like, let me just use the ponytail. Let me just use the wig. This ponytail is extra freaking long. Just in case any of you guys are interested, I'm going to go ahead and leave the links to this ponytail in my description box. But I was like, what better way, because honestly this hair is already curly. Now, it's not the best ponytail, okay, because my hair is not like braided down. I literally have a ponytail under this wig, so you can kind of see like it's a little humpy right here because I didn't plan on actually wearing this hair in a ponytail, so I wasn't prepared. If you watched my last video, I was talking about how I wanted to style this wig and put like the little clips in my hair or whatever, but I couldn't find my clips. So still I can't find the clips, but I went out today and I bought some new ones. So these are actually all the clips that I bought. I had to repurchase them because I really don't, watch they wind up showing up somewhere now that I bought all of these clips. But I have all of these clips. So my homegirl, shout out to you, she inspired me to do this freaking look. And when I saw it on her, I was like, oh, that's extra cute. Like, let me try that, okay? So that's what I've been so pressed to use these clips for. Now, everybody is probably not going to be a fan of this. It's more so the ponytail, but this is just how I would style it with the ponytail. Now, mind you, this hair is pretty much dry. I don't think y'all, well, y'all did see this hair in its natural state, and then I wet it. So when it was out, it was kind of like, it wasn't all the way dry. So this is what the hair looks like all the way dry, and it is pretty big, and actually it's long, and I feel like I really don't need to be adding more hair to this, but I am. And this ponytail is like extra long. So enough talking, we're just going to get started. So I have this in a color number 2, and this ponytail is their Pro Ponytail by Shake and Go, and it's called Super Curl 32. This is what she looks like. I'm super excited. Now, hopefully the curls match this wig. I don't know, but I feel like it will. Like, I don't understand why it wouldn't. And it's not like I'm going to braid this. I'm actually going to leave this out. Now, of course, you can tell the shine. This is shiny. This is not. But I mean, it shouldn't look that bad. So we about to see. Alright, so already it was like a strand of hair or something. I don't know. I thought it, oh, it's like something green in here. Alright, now this bad boy is already shedding. Okay, so keep that in mind. Dang, y'all, I ain't even bring my scissors down here. I'm so unprepared. But let's see if I could just rip this tag off. Damn. I can't. Oh, I can. See, I'm strong. Alright. Y'all, I'm so pressed to like try this look. I really don't know. It might not look right, honestly, but we just gonna see. So, okay, if you're not familiar with these ponytails, look, y'all. Like, it's so simple. It's like a huge weft, and it has a clip right here, so you would clip this little clip. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this little comb piece, you would clip that into the top of your ponytail, and then you wrap the weft, this big weft, around your ponytail until you get to the end. And you see how they got like this extra piece? That's when you would start to wrap this piece around the base of your ponytail. So I'm going to turn around. Like I told y'all, I'm warning y'all, this ponytail is not perfect, but I just wanted to... Dang, y'all. Messing around, pulling that daggone tag off. The comb is hanging by a thread, literally. I don't think I got bobby pins down here. Dang. So we just gonna make it work, okay? But this is what the curl pattern looks like, and it's so freaking pretty. Okay. All right, let's just see. Oh man. Whatever. All right, like I said, my ponytail is thick up in here. All right, so I don't know if y'all can see this, but I'm just going to stick this in to like the base of my ponytail. Hopefully y'all are seeing this. I hope so. Alright, let me turn around because I can't really see what I'm doing. Alright, so after I wrap it around, this is like the extra piece that I was telling you about that y'all would wrap around. So I'm just going to take that piece and like wrap it around. And I'm going to attempt to try to make this as tight as possible. And this is not going to be perfect, y'all. But I just want y'all to see the truth. I'm going to take my Got To Be Glued freeze spray because I didn't bring no bobby pins down here, y'all. Alright, so we got this little baby holding on, okay? Alright, like I said, it's not perfect, but this is what it looks like, y'all. You see how convenient that was? That was like less than 5 minutes just to do that. So this is the ponytail right here, and honestly, it blends in super good. Like you can't even tell. You can't tell where the wig hair is. Like, oh, girl. But all right, here comes the exciting part. Okay, y'all. So the moment of truth. This is what I've been waiting for. Okay. See the money one that I had on yesterday? See, I had to buy it over, but it comes with like a little money sign, and I wanted it. All right, let me turn off my camera while I take these unloose just to reserve some of my battery, and then I'm gonna come back and start adding them in to my hair. So basically, they're gonna be like, wow, 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 wow. All right, you got me? Okay, see, this will be like a whole look if my face was all done up, but it's still gonna be a whole look. All right, hold on, y'all. So I'm back. I have all my clips. I think I'm going to use 6 of the clips I have. Yeah, 6. I think I'm going to start from the smallest to the biggest, going like That way, hopefully, it turns out right, and especially before my camera goes dead. So I don't know if I would like want it like right here. Ooh, that's cute. Yes, I'm gonna do it right there. But yeah, this is just a quick video. I swear, once I'm like, is that the right way? I don't know. But once like I start these videos, y'all, I cannot stop. I don't know what's wrong with me. Alright, so the secret to my flawless skin, y'all, it's not really flawless. I mean, it's okay, but you know, it's always room for improvement. But literally, I've been drinking so much water, and I don't eat dairy. I don't eat dairy anymore, and I stay away from sugar, y'all. And I use black soap, and that got my face bright, okay? Like, ooh, like, it's so good. Do y'all see this? Oh, this is so cute. Come on before my battery goes dead. Get on there. Like, I don't understand. Why you not trying? Girl, oh my gosh, y'all, I really like the way that this is looking. At first I was like, but then I was like, oh, I gotta try. Like, on camera, the bling is not really like blinging like in person. This is blinging. I'm trying to like, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, girl. Should I put the money sign like right here? No, that's too much. That's doing too much. That's doing too much. So overall, y'all know I live for these ponies. Would I recommend it? Yes, they so affordable. So if you're interested, maybe y'all will want to, like, I inspired y'all to do this look, because my homegirl definitely inspired me to do this look, and I really like it. Like, this is cute.